Okay, let's dive right in. We're going to talk about one of the most powerful tools in digital marketing today, the Metapixel. Seriously, if you're putting any money at all into online ads, you have got to understand how this little bit of code works. It's the key to tracking what happens on your website, measuring your results, and building those incredible retargeting audiences that can completely change the game. So think about this for a second. You spend all this time and money creating the perfect ad. The picture looks great, the text is spot on, and people are clicking shop now. Awesome. But then what? What do they actually do once they land on your website? For a lot of people, that whole part of the journey is a complete mystery. And that mystery, that blind spot, it leads to a really big and, honestly, a very expensive problem. You're basically advertising in the dark. You're pouring your budget into these campaigns, but you have no real way of knowing if it's actually leading to sales or leads. I mean, just look at the difference here. On one side, you have the old way of doing things, billboards, flyers. It's pure guesswork. You throw it out into the world and just hope the right person sees it. But digital marketing, when it's powered by something like the Pixel, is the total opposite. It's data-driven. You can track every action, measure every result, and reach the people who are actually interested in what you're selling. This famous quote says it all, doesn't it? If you can't measure it, you can't improve it. This is the whole reason the Pixel is so vital. Without that data, you're not really improving your marketing. You're just guessing. You're just hoping something works. And let's be honest, guessing is expensive. It means you're wasting ad spend, you're talking to the wrong people, you have no real data to help you make smarter decisions, and worst of all, you're just leaving sales on the table. So, what's the solution? Well, what if you had a secret assistant working 24/7 on your website, just watching what people do and reporting back to you? That is exactly what the Metapixel is.
So what is it, really? It's just a little snippet of code. That's it. The best way to think about it is like a bridge. It creates a connection between all the activity happening on your website and your Meta Ads account, letting them talk to each other for the first time.
And here's how that bridge works step by step. First, someone clicks your ad and lands on your site. Then, the Pixel wakes up and starts observing what they do, like viewing a product or adding something to the cart. That information gets sent securely back to your Meta Ads account. And here's the magic. Your ad campaigns get smarter because they're now running on real user data.
Now, this is a super important point, and one a lot of people miss. The Pixel doesn't just track people who came from your Meta Ads. It tracks visitors who found you through Google, through an email you sent, from basically anywhere. This makes the audience data you're collecting so much more powerful. Okay, so you're probably thinking, this sounds amazing. I need this. So, how do you actually install it? Well, the good news is, you really don't have to be a tech wizard to get it up and running.
You've got about 3 main ways to go. By far the easiest is using a partner integration. If your website is on a platform like Shopify or WordPress, it can be as simple as just a few clicks. No code needed. A great middle ground is Google Tag Manager, which lets you manage this stuff without touching your website's code directly. And of course, if you're comfortable with it, you can always do the manual install and just copy and paste the code yourself. And here's a little pro tip for you. Once you have it installed, or at least you think you do, grab the free Metapixel Helper extension for your browser. It's a lifesaver. It puts a little icon in your toolbar and tells you instantly if the pixel is on a page and if it's working right. Okay, so the pixel is installed, it's collecting data. Now for the really fun part. How do we turn all of this data into actual dollars for our business? Well, it all comes down to what I like to call the 3 pillars of power. The first pillar is simple: measure. See, the Pixel doesn't just tell you that someone visited your site. It lets you track specific, valuable actions that they take. Meta calls these events, and they're the things that signal real interest. And there are a bunch of standard events ready to go right out of the box. You can track when someone views a page, adds something to their cart, starts to check out, fills out a lead form, and of course the big one, when they actually make a purchase. This is how you finally measure your true return on ad spend. Pillar number 2 is to optimize. Once you're measuring those events, like purchases, you can go back to Meta and say, hey, algorithm, stop just finding me people who click on things. I want you to go find me more people who are just like the ones who actually buy from me. This one change can make a massive difference in your campaign results.
And that brings us to the final pillar, build. With the Pixel, you can create what are called custom audiences. These are incredibly valuable groups of people who have already been to your website. They're not cold traffic, they're warm leads who've already shown you they're interested.
And building those custom audiences is what unlocks maybe the single most effective strategy in all of advertising: retargeting. Let me just walk you through a quick story so you can see exactly how it works. Okay, so imagine someone comes to your website, they're browsing around, and they find a product they absolutely love. They even add it to their shopping cart. The sale is this close. But then, life happens, right? The phone rings, they get a text, the dog starts barking, whatever it is, they get distracted, and they close the website without ever finishing the purchase.
So is that it? Is that sale just gone forever? Before the Pixel, the answer was probably yeah, it is.
But not with the Pixel. No way. Because the Pixel saw them add that item to their cart, you can now show that exact same person a little reminder ad later on when they're scrolling through their Instagram or Facebook feed.
And that's the magic of it. You're turning those almost sales, those window shoppers, into actual loyal customers. You're not being pushy, you're just gently reminding them about something they already told you they wanted.
So that's what the Metapixel does. It shines a bright light on what was once a total blind spot. It lets you measure what's happening, optimize your campaigns for real results, and build powerful audiences. So really, the only question left for you is this. Now that you can see what's really working, what are you going to improve first?